like to welcome back our guest Chef Dale. Chef Dale is making one of his favorite recipes for us today, short rib tamales. He starts with pasilla and California dried chilies and corn husks. First he lays out the chili and removes the stems and seeds. Drops them in hot water to reconstitute the chilies. He cooks them for about a half an hour. Then he pours the chilies and the steeping liquid into the blender. That makes the sauce for the tamales. He grabs some of his leftover boneless short ribs from the refrigerator. The recipe for Chef Dale's braised short ribs is on our site under Guest Chefs. Next he shreds them and adds the pepper sauce. Chef Dale mixes the masa with a mixture of beef bouillon and water. The ratio is 2 cups to 1.5 cups of liquid. You need a firm consistency, but easy enough to spread. He takes the corn husk and steams them till they become flexible. You lay the corn husk out and cover with the masa. Add the short rib mixture. Chef Dale added a couple of olives. This step is optional. A quick fold and you're ready to cook the tamales. If this is the first time making tamales, Chef Dale added a diagram on how to fold a tamale. Most people steam their tamales in a pot. It takes about 2 hours, but Chef Dale has a steam oven in his kitchen. Time to plate. 2 tamales, Chef Dale's salsa, pickled Mexican carrots, and a little guacamole. They were fantastic. Chef Dale says, grab your favorite beer and enjoy. We would like to thank Chef Dale for sharing his short rib tamale recipe with us. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.